guys, welcome back to RWM Finance, and today's video is titled What is a money market account? So the topic for today is what's a money market account. So if you haven't subscribed, please scroll down and click that subscribe button, and we are going to move right on in with the topic. A money market account is an account that I said would be a great place to store your money for an emergency fund. Within the video over the emergency fund, I said that a money market account would be a great place to store your money for your emergency fund. To try and catch some of y'all up, if y'all haven't been watching the videos, within my video over why the poor stay poor, I mentioned one reason that they stay poor is because they don't have an emergency fund. Next, within my video over what is an emergency fund, I mentioned 3 places for you to store your money for your emergency fund. One of those places to store your money was a typical traditional savings account. The second was a money market account. And the third was an investment portfolio. So I received a question in the comment section of the emergency fund video that I made that was asking, what is a money market account? So that is why I decided to make this video. After answering that question, I decided to make a video about what a money market account is, just to clarify some things and make sure that everybody understands and everyone's on the same page with what a money market account is. So I knew a little bit about a money market account. I knew it was a great place to store your money for an emergency fund, but I also had to re-educate myself a little bit on what a money market account is. So some of this information that I'm disposing to y'all is from nerdwallet.com, and you can go and look this information up yourself. So just wanted to give some credit to NerdWallet. So what is a money market account? A money market account is a type of savings account which also offers some checking account features. Usually, money market accounts offer higher interest rates than a typical savings account. You may also have a higher minimum deposit or balance requirements than a traditional savings account. Money market accounts are actually insured by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation or National Credit Union Administration. This just depends on whether your account is set up at a bank or at a credit union. So the benefit of having that insurance is if your bank or credit union were to go out of business, you would still receive your deposits. So here are some of the pros and cons of selecting a money market account. Here are some of the pros. You will receive some of the best interest rates from your bank or your credit union. Funds can be accessed more easily than some savings accounts, which could be very helpful in an emergency. Remember, this could also be a con if you have bad spending habits. It's a safe place to keep a large sum of money because the fact that the account is insured. Here are the cons. Your money can be easily spent. Like I said, your spending habits will determine if this is a pro or a con. You might have to keep a minimum balance in order to open the money market account or to avoid fees. Nowadays, savings accounts often pay the same or similar interest rates. The money market account can also come with monthly fees. So if you decide to use a money market account, check around with your bank and see what they offer, but then also shop around at other banks and see what they could offer, and look online as well and see if there's an online bank that you could use. Wherever you decide to open your money market account, make sure to check the interest rates of their money market account and their savings account just to compare and see which one you would rather have. So there are 3 things you want to look for whenever you are trying to decide whether to open up a money market account and where to open up your money market account at. Number 1, you want a high interest rate. You want an interest rate which is going to be higher than a regular traditional savings account. Number 2, you want no monthly fees. Monthly fees will eat away at your profit no matter how small they are. You also want an account with a reasonable minimum balance. Some money market accounts require a minimum balance of up to $10,000. So make sure to check and see what that minimum balance is and make sure it fits in with what you're trying to achieve. So when choosing where to put your emergency fund, make sure to look at the pros and cons of each account that you are looking at. If you do decide to go with a money market account, make sure to look for the 3 requirements that you want within your money market account. 1, a high interest rate. Number 2, no monthly fees. And 3, a reasonable minimum balance. So guys, if you liked this video or if you enjoyed it and you found it to be helpful, scroll down, give it a like, and subscribe to the page. And if you have any helpful tips on a money market account that you have that you think is really good, or you have a bank that offers a really good money market account that meets all their requirements that I suggested, then please leave it in the comment section and help somebody out. So thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video.